get to know.
सीधा कैमरा,
सर क्या बोलूं?
जो भी आपको बोलना होगा वो। सोनिया एंड महक हगिंग ईच अदर, एक दूसरे को गले लगिए पहले। आपका एकदम क्लैप फॉर बोथ। आप थोड़ा डर कम होगा। आर यू फीलिंग कंफर्ट?
यस सर।
There is a problem. Are you waiting? Yes. What are you waiting?
Boosting confidence.
Boosting confidence, right, ma'am? Boosting confidence. Mahak, can you chew pan masala? Can you chew or not? No. Okay, no problem. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Fine. I'm fine. Mahak, how are you? I'm good, sir. I'm good. So, my dear, today we are going to discuss boost confidence. What is a class? Boost confidence. So we will improve our English and we will boost our confidence, right? So we will go on the stage one by one students. We will discuss with someone, and everybody has a knowledge, everybody can speak English, but there is a problem: confidence. We are not confident, we don't have the confidence. So today we will improve. Are you ready? Yes, sir. I think you are not ready. You are feeling cold, I think.
No.
I think you are feeling thandi, I think, somewhere, right? Not? Not at all? Right? So ready? Yes. So who wants to come first on the stage? Anybody? Who?
Yes sir.
Very good. Clap for Mahak. Mahak, come here. Yes, Mahak. See the camera. They want to see. See the camera, please. Stay. Right? So Mahak, today what we are talking?
Boost confidence.
Boost confidence, and how we can just boost our confidence. How we
By
can?
speaking.
By speaking, right? So you want to speak anything?
Yes sir.
Okay, take this and see the camera. See the camera.
सर क्या बोलूं?
जो भी आपको बोलना होगा वो, क्योंकि confidence इसी को
By
बोलते हैं
speaking
confidence,
we
yes.
can boost our confidence.
Stand proper. Yes.
By speaking we can boost our confidence, and we can, and as well as you can.
Okay, anything extra? Anything you want
No,
to
sir,
speak
no.
about winter, about ice cream, about cold drink,
No sir.
about which cream do you apply?
I apply sunscreen and
Sunscreen.
moisturizer.
So do you know the secret of the fair and beauty of the mag? You know secret you can purchase. Anything extra?
No sir. Yes.
And where do you live?
I live at Madangir.
Madangiri you live.
Yes.
Okay. And what do you want to become?
I want to become a government employee.
Yeah. So really you don't want to speak?
No sir.
आपको डर तो नहीं लग रहा है ऐसे?
No sir.
नहीं, अगर सामने देखो, आप सामने नहीं देख रहे हैं, यानी आप चलो सोनिया को देखो। सोनिया आपकी फ्रेंड है ना?
Yes sir.
पहले तो सही से खड़े हो जाइए आप। यस। तो आप बताइए आपको कितनी हेजिटेशन हो रही है?
Little bit.
लिटिल लेट हो रही है?
Yes, sir.
चलो, तो आपकी इस एजिटेशन को दूर करूं मैं?
Yes sir.
पक्का?
Yes sir.
सोनिया कम हियर। क्लैप फॉर सोनिया। सोनिया कम हियर एंड सी द कैमरा। तो आप देख सकते हैं, दे आर द sister, right? They are the sister in each other, not real sister, cousin sister. And Mahak told, today I am feeling hesitation, but it is a secret how to remove our hesitation. So give me mic, and Sonia and Mahak hugging each other. एक दूसरे को गले लगिए पहले। आपका एकदम clap for both. आप थोड़ा डर कम होगा?
Yes sir.
डर कम होगा?
Yes sir.
Really? Okay, take this. Sonia, if you want to speak anything, you can speak.
About what?
Anything. See the camera first. आपके चेहरे पे देखो डर है, उस डर को हटाना आज, क्योंकि आज हमारी जो क्लास है बूस्ट कॉन्फिडेंस। anything you can speak, anything about yourself. First about yourself.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good
And
morning.
take the
all.
mic and पास में थोड़ा mic रखेंगे. Yes.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Sonia. I live in
सोनिया गांधी तो नहीं? सोनिया गांधी. Do you know who is Sonia Gandhi?
Yes sir.
Right? चलो, सोनिया गांधी नहीं, आप सोनिया। Start.
I live at Singham Bihar. I'm job in Gurgaon, Sector 24 at makeup artist and hairdresser. Right now I'm learning English in international class. Very.
या बोलो, I can speak.
I can speak.
I can tell.
I can tell.
I can go.
I can go.
Any sentence you can speak. और भी कोई sentence आप अपने मन से बोल सकते हैं.
I can done.
I can do.
I-
I can do.
I can do.
Yes.
I can speak. I can talk. I can eat, I can go, I can
ओके आपको डर कितना लग रहा है वैसे?
too much.
टू मच डर लग रहा है। एंड महक आपको?
सर लिटिल बिट।
लिटिल बिट। अगर सोनिया के आने से आपका डर कितना कम हुआ?
सर काफी कम हुआ।
काफी कम हुआ। सोनिया आपको महक के आने से डर कम हुआ है?
होगा ही, मैं आई हूँ।
अच्छा आप पहले आए, राइट, ठीक है। और भी कुछ महक बोलना चाहते हैं? वांट टू स्पीक विद सोनिया?
सर वी आर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स।
यू आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंड।
Yes.
ओके, हाउ डिड यू मीट?
By this institute,
Okay.
we meet.
You met in this institute,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay, so I think it is a good friendship.
Yes, sir.
या घूमने भी गए आप लोग,
Yes,
right? So ये फ्रेंडशिप कब तक आप लेके जाएंगे?
सर बहुत आगे तक।
बहुत आगे तक लेके जाएंगे।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। So why do you want to learn English? आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहते हैं? Why
I
do you
want to learn English. English is very important for in every sector, and there are in India there are many religion who don't know their each other's language, and by English you can interact with each other, and in job field you can earn more money by English.
Very good. And Meg, what do you think? Who's a more powerful, boy and girl?
Sir, girl.
Girl.
Yes.
Okay, in each other, who's a more powerful? Sonia and Mehak?
Sir, we both.
No, you have to speak one. You and Sonia.
Sir, I think Sonia.
Sonia. And Sonia, take the mic. Sonia, who's a powerful? You and Mehak.
Mehak.
Just tell me some quality why she is powerful.
She is talking too much.
Yes.
More than me.
Yes.
And
This is a power.
Yes.
बातें करना एक power है, right? Because girls
this is
mostly
speak
talk.
English
Yes.
more than me.
Okay, she speaks English more than
Confident.
me. Another
more
power?
Than me. She's have confident more than me.
Very good. Nice. Clap for Sonia. Mehak, take the mic and speak something power of Sonia because she told about you.
I think she has more confidence than me. I have low confidence than her because I can speak English, but I don't have confidence. She don't know much
doesn't.
English. She doesn't know much English, but she has confidence, and we have to build our confidence.
Okay.
That's why
so
I'm
we
here.
just creating this class. We are creating this class. Boost confidence.
Yes, sir.
So really you think after coming here you are getting confidence?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are getting.
Yes.
Okay. So before coming here, what were you thinking while the sitting?
I'm very feel nervous.
Okay.
And many times I couldn't speak English,
Yeah.
and nowadays I can speak in front
Okay.
of everyone.
Sonia, take the mic. Yes, Sonia. So what were you thinking while the sitting there? If I go there, then my body will be there or not, like this, anything?
Like my hand and like कप shiverings
Okay.
and low confidence.
तो ये
I
डर
am
का कब कपा है या सर्दी से कब कपा रहे हैं आप? डर। तो डर कितना खत्म हो रहा है आपका अभी?
little bit.
Little bit it is removing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anything you want to speak?
No.
Okay. So what do you think about parents?
Parents is our life.
Yeah.
It's very important in life. No one help you. Parents only help you.
Okay. Very good. When did you think I want to learn English? When did you think I should learn English?
My job also, and I talking to someone like English. I'm मतलब सही से बोलने को क्या बोलते हैं मतलब
So I want to speak proper.
I want to speak proper in English
Yeah.
for anyone. My job help on me.
Very good. Clap for Mahak. Very good. Big hands. Okay, have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, have a seat, Sonia. So, my dear, today you enjoyed this class, and this is a class where we can build our confidence and boost our confidence. I would like to call Sunil. Why Sunil? I will hug you. Don't worry. Come here. I will hug you. And when we say hug, in English it is good, but in Hindi, I don't know, right? Sunil, come here. Are you feeling comfort?
Yes, sir.
There is a problem, Sunil.
Yes, sir.
What is problem?
I think I'm so nervous
Why you are? Because you are not so strong than girl.
No, I'm
Sonia or
so
Mahak-
strong, but
Yeah.
I can't. Maybe कुछ something मैंने कुछ पढ़ा नहीं है ना ज़्यादातर, तो इस वजह से
Okay, अभी आप न्यू हैं. कितने दिन हुए अभी आपको?
सर रिसेंटली तो अभी मैं 2 दिन ही हुए हैं, पहले तो आ चुका हूँ।
यस, अच्छा, तो आप पहले जब आए थे तो जस्ट टेल द ऑडियंस, जब आप पहले आए थे तो कितने दिन आपने क्लास ली थी?
1 वीक
1 वीक। उसके बाद फिर गैप कितना हुआ?
आफ्टर 2 मंथ्स
2 मंथ का गैप हुआ। अब
Yes,
कितने दिन हुए?
2 days
2 days. So my dear, you have known he just came before 2 months and that time he joined only 1 week and after that again he came, he has spent only 2 days.
yes
So this is a class boost confidence.
yes
तो आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इंग्लिश में? एनीथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ? टूटी
No,
फूटी
sir.
इंग्लिश
नो सर
कुछ भी?
प्लीज सर अभी तो नहीं हो
ओके,
पाया।
व्हाट इज अ लव? लव
लव
आर यू कंफ्यूज्ड?
यस सर
कंफ्यूजन लव के बारे में? नहीं कंफ्यूज्ड आप?
यस सर
क्या कंफ्यूजन है?
बट टू स्पीक क्या बोलूँ सर मैं
You don't like love?
Don't like anything.
Do you love me?
यस सर
Really?
Really.
How much do you love me? कितना प्यार करते हो मुझे?
वेरी बहुत ज़्यादा।
समुद्र में जितना पानी है। सुनील, right?
यस सर
Yes, Sunil, come here. You are just डर रहे हैं आप तो सुनील, डरना नहीं है, just speak anything, whatever.
whatever
बोलो, I can do,
I can do,
I can play,
I can play,
I can run,
I can run,
I can die for you.
I can die for you,
You can. Okay, I can speak English,
I can speak English,
I can teach English,
I can teach English,
you can teach.
I
तो आपने देखा माय डियर, अगर आप ऐसे ही रटेंगे तो दिक्कत हो जाएगी, इसलिए रटना भी नहीं है ज्यादा।
ओके सर
राइट, तो आप अपने मन से कुछ बोलिए, स्पीक विद योरसेल्फ। कैन से ही आप बोल दीजिए, आपने वही क्लास लिया था, कैन के कुछ सेंटेंसेस बोल दीजिए।
I can go to tuition,
Yes.
I can come, I can walk, I can think, I can go I can go to school, I can help anyone.
Okay, very good, Sunil. And tell about yourself something about yourself.
My name is Sunil.
Very good.
I am 22 years old.
Yeah, very nice.
I am completed my graduation.
completed.
I have completed my graduation in Delhi University.
Yes,
I have
completed my graduation from Delhi.
from Delhi University.
Yeah.
I live in Sangam Vihar.
Yes.
But nothing.
Okay, clap for Sunil.
Thank you.